G-Stomper Studio is a powerful music production application for Android, specifically designed for creating and producing electronic music. Acting as a digital audio workstation, DAW, it offers an array of features, including a virtual drum machine, a variety of synthesizers, and a multi-track sequencer for comprehensive composition, arrangement, and editing. The intuitive interface allows users to easily navigate the tools for sound design and mixing. G-Stomper Studio supports MIDI controllers, enhancing musical production capabilities, and includes a wide range of effects while supporting audio recording for added versatility. It's particularly favored among electronic music producers, DJs, and enthusiasts due to its flexibility and extensive sound library, providing high-quality output. Moreover, the application includes features such as pattern-based sequencing, loop playback, and a user-friendly design, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced musicians to produce professional-level tracks right from their Android devices.